Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing product which is the Krutan Air Fryer. The Krutan Air Fryer allows you to make delicious recipes with minimal use of oil, thus allowing you to make delicious fat-free recipes that are healthy for you and won't impact your diet. Normally, if you had to make French fries, you would have to deep fry them in a pan full of oil. But this air fryer allows you to make French fries with only a little bit of oil, which you just need to have a thin layer on top of the potato slices. With that, you can put the potato slices in the air fryer and allow them to cook for 15 to 20 minutes and your French fries will be ready. Now I have a batch of French fries being cooked in the air fryer right now, and let's see how it looks. You can see that they are a nice golden color and almost ready. Just need a few more minutes of cooking and they'll be nice and crisp. So let's put it back in. Now let's talk a little bit about the air fryer. Here is the timer that allows you to set the time for which you want to cook the French fries or whatever you're cooking. And here is the temperature knob that allows you to set the different temperatures. The handle allows you to pull out the food basket. The air intake is from the top, and at the back you have the air outlet that allows the hot air to flow out. The air fryer works on electricity and does not need a gas connection. There are two indicator lights, and there's also a product manual that is included with the product that describes exactly how the air fryer needs to be used and also includes the do's and don'ts. It also includes some tips for making simple delicious recipes using this air fryer. The air fryer can be purchased online, and the link to purchase the air fryer is available in the video description. It is available on Flipkart, Amazon and other online retailers. Once the timer goes off, you'll hear a bell sound that indicates that the time is up, and you can then check whether your food is ready. So there you have it. Let's open it up and see what the French fries look like. Look at that, perfect golden brown and ready to eat. We just need to allow it to cool down for a little bit and then add seasoning as per taste, and then we can enjoy our delicious yet healthy snack. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do share your feedback in the comments below. Let us know about your experience using the air fryers and what recipes you like to cook in it. Do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.